Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abra, and on this channel I share everything about cleaning, cooking, organizing and motherhood. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so and let's stay connected.
Why'd you break my heart? Left me in the dark, dark.
I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance.
Thank you guys for showing up again for today's video. Either you new here or returning subscriber, I am so glad to have you. Today's extreme laundry motivation laundry with me after vacations video is the part 2 of my last week video, linked up above in the right corner of your screen. I am going to link it in the description down below as well. Make sure you watch that after watching this one because they are all packed with tons of laundry motivation for you to tackle all your laundry. This is day 2 and I just got my 4th load from the dryer. Moving on with my 5th load, which is my daughter's clothes, and I'm using the Draft laundry detergent and stain remover as usual.
I hope you come back to me.
Now it's time to fold, and these clothes are my 4th loads from yesterday. Yes, I forgot them in the dryer. I didn't really forget them, but I was just too busy with other things that I've decided to fold them the next day. And this is not the first time this is happening to me, but what I like to do is to always make sure they are not left in the dryer wet. Because if you leave your clothes wet in the dryer overnight or for too long before drying them, they are going to develop this funny smell that you're not going to like. So no matter how tired you are, make sure you push that start button on your dryer. That way, even if you forget them, at least you know they will be dry next time you go there to empty your dryer, and they will be also free of any funny smell. I found this new gadget, a fabric shaver that I'm obsessed with. The first time I saw this was on Amazon and it costs anywhere between $12 and $35 for a decent one. And there's even some that cost $60 something. But guess what? I found one at Home Good for a steal. Keep on watching to see how much I got it for and how I use it for the first time. I guess we all saw how amazing this fabric shaver is. I've been looking for something like this for so long and I am so glad I was able to get it for only $4.99.
Maybe you're not perfect. not different. Maybe you're not different. Maybe you're not different.
Here I'm putting my 6th load in the dryer. I don't know what happened to the clip when I was loading the washer with it, but here we are putting it in the dryer now, and I'm gonna follow with my 7th load. And it is folding time again.
And it is folding time again.
And this makes me want to ask you guys a this or that question. So guys, would you rather do laundry? And when I say do laundry, I mean do laundry, fold it and put it away, or do dishes without dishwasher? Me, I know my answer. My answer will be do dishes without dishwasher, because I hate doing laundry. That's why I need all the motivation I can get to get it done. So what I do is to put on some really good music or talk to my friend over the phone, and that's what I'm doing in this video. So guys, let me know in the comment below, which one would you rather do, laundry or dishes?
In my soul, in my soul, in my soul, in my soul, I feel so alive. I feel so alive. I feel so alive. In my soul, in my soul, in my soul, in my soul, I feel so alive. I feel so alive. I feel so alive. In my soul, 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 in my soul. It started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine. I crossed my fingers you'd come to me, then all of a sudden it became.
Here I'm putting my last load in the dryer, and I'm gonna start wrapping things up by putting away all my laundry detergent, followed by wiping down my washer and dryer.
There's no doubt in my mind, your love is all that I need. Now I'm on my feet, I'm dancing to the pounding of your heartbeat. Your eyes sing the sweetest melody. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind, your love.
After that, I will sweep the laundry room and wash down all my laundry baskets. And to not make this video too long, I will do those off camera. And here is the before and after. It feels so good not seeing any laundry on the floor. This takes us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to check out the part 1 by clicking on this video right here. It is loaded up with tons of motivation, and I'll see you on my next one.